Good morning, students. Today in your English classes, we are going to start reader section. In your reader sections, we will discuss about your chapter number 2nd. Its name is Rikki Tikki and Nag. Rikki Tikki and Nag is a story which is written by Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling is a very well-known writer, poet. He was known as best English poet and novelist also. In his story reflects the culture of India because his birth also in Indian land. So that's why a touch of India you can see in his stories. So today let's read this story. Rikki Tikki Tavi is a short story in the Jungle Book. This story is very short, which is taken by Jungle Book, written by Rudyard Kipling. Rikki Tikki Tavi was a baby mongoose. Rikki Tikki Tavi name was a little baby mongoose who was washed away in a flood, who was come out in a flood. He was taken. During that time he was taken in by Teddy and his parents, a British family residing in India. A British family during that time which was residing in India that taken that little baby mongoose. In that family a child that name was Teddy. He vowed to save his foster family from dangers that snake like carried, Nagina and Nag pose. He vowed. Vowed means here promised to do specified things. He means here that little mongoose promised to save his foster family, means that family now who is live with that little baby mongoose from dangers. He promised to do himself. He saved that family from dangers that snakes like carrot. Carrot is a snake name which is belong to cobra family. Nagina and Nag. Let's read on to find out what happened to Rikki Tikki in his final battle. Let's read this story what happened with Rikki Tikki in his final battle. Battle means here fight against the mighty Nag, against that powerful Nag. Rikki Tikki went off for his nightly walk around the house. During that day, Rikki Tikki went to a walk in that dark night, wanted to around the house, and in the dark he ran into Chuchundra. In that dark night he ran to follow the Chuchundra. Chuchundra is the name of muskrat. Muskrat means a rat-like animal with thick brown fur. In this picture you can easily see that animal which is belong to rat family. Creeping around by the wall. That muskrat creeping around by the wall. Near that wall some plants are growing. He was also creeping there. Chuchundra is a broken-hearted little beast. Chuchundra, that muskrat which name was Chuchundra, is a broken-hearted little beast. Is very broken-hearted, which is not very brave. Little beast. Beast means here animal. He whimpers and cheeps all nights. He whimpers. Who whimpers? That chuchundra. Muskrat, you can see. Whimpers means creating sound with pain and fear. Make small sound of pain and fear. That downside also its meaning. And cheeps. Cheeps means here crying all night, trying to make up his mind. Now that muskrat, chuchundra, trying to make up his mind, to make up his mind to run into the middle of the room. He wanted to run into the middle of the room, but he never gets there. But he was never gets there. Don't kill me, said Chuchundra, almost weeping. Rikki Tikki, don't kill me. Now, Rikki Tikki, that mongoose catch that Chuchundra. Now he is saying, don't kill me. Who is saying? That Chuchundra is saying, don't kill me. Almost weeping. He is near to weeping. Rikki Tikki, don't kill me. Now he is again replying, don't kill me, Rikki Tikki, don't kill me. With completely fearful. Do you think a snake killer kill muskrat? Said Rikki Tikki scornfully. Do you think? Now who is replying? That Rikki Tikki is replying. Do you think a snake killer kill muskrat? Said Rikki Tikki scornfully, means disrespectfully. Now Rikki Tikki said disrespectfully, do you think that those kill snakes will kill muskrat? Those who kill snakes get killed by snakes, said Chuchundra. Now Chuchundra turn come. Chuchundra is saying those who kill snakes get killed by snakes also. More sorrowful than ever. More sorrowful means here very fearful than ever. And how can I be sure that Nag won't mistake me for you some dark night? And how can I sure be that? How can I be sure that Nag won't mistake me for you some dark night? That Nag also don't do any mistake for that some dark night. Now turn your next page. There's not the least danger. There's not the least danger. There is nothing any danger, said Rikki Tikki. Nag is in the garden. Now Nag is in the garden, and I know you don't go there, and I also know you don't want to go there. I mustn't tell you anything. Can't you hear, Rikki Tikki? Now Chuchundra is replying, I mustn't tell you anything. I have not told you about anything. You are here, Rikki Tikki. Anything? Rikki Tikki, listen. Now Rikki Tikki is listening something. He want to listen some voice. The house was very still. The house was very still, means very calm. But he thought he could just catch the faintest. But he thought, who thought here? Rikki Tikki. He thought that he could just catch the faintest. Faintest means here his sound. He was observing there some smell and sound. Scratch, scratch in the wall. Scratch, scratch in the wall means some sound of scratching he was observing there. A noise as faint. A noise means sound also faint. A voice of sound or smell, here you can use that word faint, as that of a wasp. Wasp means here a insect which is in yellow color and which having black strips. In local word you can mostly see that insect and use that Hindi word tataya also. So I think you all are understood, and that image also create in your mind which insect I am talking here. So wasp means here a yellow and black strip insect walking on a window pane. Their sound is creating just like a wasp, and which one is walking on a window pane. Window pane means here the window frame of the dry scratch of a snake scale on the brickwork. There, Rikki Tikki observing the dry scratch, the mark of that surface of that brick wall, of that wall. That's Nag or Nagina, he said to himself, and he is crawling into the bathroom slush. That's Nag or Nagina, he said to himself. Now he said to himself that Nag or Nagina, and he is crawling. That Nag or Nagina also, and he also is crawling into the bathroom sluice. Here sluice means here a device for controlling the flow of water. Yeah, sluice means here also downside channel for surplus water to drain out. There water also come out. You can also use. A stall of two Teddy's bathroom. A stall of two Teddy's bathroom. There he also checked of Teddy's bathroom. But there was nothing there. But there he nothing found anything. Then two Teddy's mother bathroom. Then he searched in Teddy's mother bathroom. Who searched here? That Rikki Tikki searching Nag or Nagina. Where he heard Nag and Nagina whispering together. Where the place where Rikki Tikki heard Nag and Nagina whispering. Whispering means here sound. Yeah, creating, yeah, talking to each other in a very small sound. Whispering together outside in the moonlight. There he observing in that moonlight whispering together Nag or Nagina voice together outside of that house. When the house is empty of people, when the house is empty of people, said Nagina to her husband. Now Nagina is saying something to her husband. What? When the house was completely empty of people, means there was no any people, he will have to go away and then the garden will be ours again. Then he will have to go away. Then during that time we have to go away and then whole garden will be our again. Go in quietly. Go in very calm way, and quietly means very calm, you can say. And remember to first buy. And you have to remember one thing in your mind. Nagina is saying to her husband, what? You have to go quietly and without any noise. And one thing you have to keep in your mind. First bite the big man. First bite you have to that big man do. Who killed carrot? Who killed carrot? When you are done, after when you completed, then come out and tell me. You have to come here and tell me the whole thing, and we will hunt for Rikki Tikki together. After that, we both kill and hunt Rikki Tikki together. But are you sure that there is anything to be gained by killing the people? But are you sure that? But you are sure here that you will gain anything to be killed by the people? Asked Nag. Now Nag is asking that thing. Everything. When there were no people in the bungalow, everything. Now Nagina is replying, everything I will give. When there were no people in the bungalow, during that time when nobody in the bungalow, did we have any mongoose? Mongoose in the garden. So did we have any mongoose in the garden? So long as the bungalow is empty. So long. The bungalow will be empty for long time for us. We are king and queen of the garden. During that time we will be the king and queen of that whole garden. And remember that as soon as our egg in the melon, and remember that our eggs also will in the melon that hatch, means as they may tomorrow, means that during that time our eggs also want to gain some space for hatching. Our children will need room and quiet. Our children will also have need to room and that quietness. I hadn't thought of that, said Nag. Now Nag was reply, I hadn't thought of that. That whole story I hadn't thought that. I will go, but there is no need that we should hunt for Rikki Tikki afterward. I will go. Now Nag is saying, I will go, but there is no need. I think we have no need that we should hunt, that we should hunt for that Rikki Tikki afterward. We have to, afterward means do first. Here, that thing. I will kill the big man. Now Nag was replying, I will kill that big man and his wife and the child if I can. If I can do that things, then I will kill that big man, his wife and his little child also, and come away quietly. And then after I will come back quietly. Then the bungalow will be empty. Then the whole bungalow will be empty and Rikki Tikki will have to go. And Rikki Tikki will automatically go. So students, today in your homework you will read that second chapter, page 18 and 19. In our next video, we will discuss remaining portions of that chapter explanation and their hard words also. Thank you.